Hello everyone, good morning all of you. Uh, we are going to discuss exercise 11C of chapter number 11, which is algebra, in which question number first is which out of the following are expressions with numbers only. So in which first is given x plus 4 which is algebraic expression and in which present variables, so it is not required expression. And second is 5 into 15 minus 12z, and in this expression also present variable which is z, so it is the not expression, only numbers. And third is 8 in round bracket 23 minus 7 plus 4 into 5. In this expression only use the numerical values, so it is the expression in which present only numerical values, so it is required answer. And fourth is 6, and 6 is also a numerical value, so it is required expression. Fifth is 5y plus 3, and in which y is present, which is variable, so it is not required expression. And 6 is 7x, and in which also variable x is present, so it is also not required expression. It is question number first. And question number second is in which we have to write the expression for the following cases. We have to given sentences and we use the sentence and frame the expressions. So first is saying that 11 added to p. 11 added to p means p plus 11. A variable which is p and in which 11 is add. Second is 19 subtracted from q. 19 subtracted from q, it means difference of q and 19, which is q minus 19. Third is m multiplied by 3, so its expression is m multiplied by 3, which is 3m. Fourth is x divided by 13. So we write the expression for this sentence x divided by 13. It is also write in the form of x upon 13. Fifth, 8 subtracted from minus a. 8 subtracted from minus a, it means its required expression is minus a minus 8. And sixth is minus 7 divided by x. Minus 7 divided by x, or minus 7 upon x. And in question number 3, question is saying that give expression for the following cases, in which we have to given sentences of the sentences and we have to write the required expression for the given sentences. So here first is increase minus 7 by x. Increase minus 7 by x. It means minus 7 plus x. Second is 3 added to 2 times of p. So first we write 2 times of p and add 3, which is 2p plus 3. Third is decrease the sum of p plus q by 5. Decrease the sum of p and q by 5. It means first we write sum of p and q and after that minus 5. Fourth is m less than product of minus 8 and n. M less than product of minus 8 and n. So first we write product of minus 8 and n and after that minus m. So also it is right in the form of minus 8n minus m. Fifth is minus 5 multiplied by the sum of a plus a and b. So first add a and b, which is in the form of a and a plus b and multiplied by minus 5. So it is right in the form of minus 5 and in round bracket a plus b. And sixth is h times y subtracted from p times q. H times y subtracted from p times q. So p times q means p into q and minus h time of y. So product of p and q, which is pq, minus product of x and y is xy. And 7 is 17 added to the product of minus 7 and p. So here first we write product of minus 7 and p and in this add 17. So we write minus 7p plus 17. It is the required expression for question number 7. And 8 is 3 subtracted from quotient of p by 4. So quotient of p by 4 means p upon 4. And in this we have to subtract 3. So this is the required expression of question number 8. And in question number 4, which is last question of exercise 11C, in which we have to given the expressions and we have to write the sentence of that expressions. So first is a plus 11. A plus 11. This is the algebraic expression and we have to write the sentence, required sentence for that algebraic expression. So in which we see a plus 11. It means we can write sum of a and 11. So its required sentence is sum of a and 11. Second is minus 3a minus 5. In this expression, 5 is subtracted. 5 is subtracted minus 3 times of a. So we write 5 is subtracted minus 3 times of a. It is the required sentence for that expression. Third is 14a. 14a means it is 14 times of a. Fourth is x upon 14. X upon 14. Then here 14 is divided x, or we write x is divided by 14. X is divided by 14. And fifth is x plus y upon 3. Here sum of x and y is divided by 3. So we write sum of x and y is divided by 3. It is the required sentence for expression 5, which is x plus y upon 3. And last expression is p upon 4 minus r. Here r is subtracted from quotient of p and 4. So we write r is subtracted from quotient of p and 4. It is the all question of exercise 11C.